Alright, here's the plan for today and tomorrow. Using your paper prototype from yesterday, I want you to create and then animate your sprite in Piskel App. So go to this website. Just a reminder, resize your canvas first. Sprites are meant to be small, but they're not meant to be this small necessarily. I want you to resize it to 60 by 60. Make sure these two boxes are checked. Resize it. Then you can start drawing your sprite. So for example, just a reminder, you'll want to draw what you created yesterday here. Just a rough sketch. And then duplicate the frame to start making changes that will allow your sprite to be animated. So if I add another color to mine, oh, and I also change the size of the pixels. This is taking up more than just one pixel at a time. You can do that, that way it's faster. You'll notice on the right hand side that it's starting to animate. And I can add more frames, create more animations, so on and so forth. And I can change the speed of it. Now to make sure that you save this properly when you are done, you're going to export it. Make sure it's a GIF or a GIF, not a PNG, otherwise it won't be animated. You want it to loop repeatedly, and you're going to click download so it saves to your computer. If you have any questions, raise your hand, let me know.